Hello. Oh, so tired, huh? You're active. You were the first to hatch. Yeah, you're ready to get up and go, but your siblings aren't ready yet. No, we still need to wait for the last 3. They're almost here, but you're blocking the eggs. I can't see them. Here, let's go. Oh, but I can't see it anymore. Let's try this side. There you are. Little one pushing out. Oh, don't block them. I'm trying to see them. Oh, working so... Oh, really? Hi, cutie. Working so hard. Yes. Yeah, I see you. Don't worry. Okay. There we go. Nope. Oh, so precious. Hi. Yeah. You hatched at 2 a.m. What's up with that? I wasn't even supposed to be awake, but I heard you. The rest of these guys all hatched between 2 a.m. and 7 a.m. One's pushing out. Oh, that one might be before the other one. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, that sucks. Okay. I was hoping that would go over it enough. Oh, so close. Oh, oh, oh. No, you're blocking it. Oh, there we go. Oh my, one more big push, my little love. I know it's exhausting work. Come on. Come on. You've got this. Come on, little love. Keep pushing. Your siblings want you out, see? Oh, oh yep, yep, yep. There you go. Come on. Come on, there's a wing. Oh, there's the wing. Come on. Come on, little love. Come on. Oh, what do we got going on already? Still pushing. There we go. Come on. Push, 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 push. Oh, don't pack your siblings still in the egg. That's mean. There we go. There's a baby. Hi, little love. Hi. Oh, it's so tired. It's such exhausting works. Yeah, we come over here and that one. Oh, I can't even do that one. Rude. Oh, hi. Hello. Oh, so precious. Oh, still pushing out. That one is. I don't really want to open it for too long, but we can go get another peek here real quick. That one's doing good. Hi! Oh, you have a Swedish marking on your chest. Yes, you do. Oh, no focus. Come on. There we go.